How to use Old Navy credit card for online shopping. On this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use your Old Navy credit card or your Navy's reward card for online shopping. First, you have to open up your web browser and search for Old Navy credit card. Now you can go to Synchrony or Barclays US depending on where you have your card connected, and ensure that you're logged in for your rewards. Just make sure that you're logged into your Old Navy account or the Gap Inc. family site with your email or phone that's linked to your Navyist card. It ensures that you earn your 5 times points per $1 on purchase. Then you can add your card during checkout, add items to your cart, and then go to the checkout page. And once you get to the checkout page, you can just click on add credit card option within the checkout flow. And there you should be able to enter your Navy's card number and expiration date as well as your CVV code. So after doing that, you can make sure that you use your Old Navy card for the checkout. The other method that you can do is you could alternatively add card to your account. So you can add your card beforehand, log into Barclays credit card portal right here on top. And once you make sure to log in, just go ahead and tap on the login button at the top right corner. And here, make sure that after logging in, you can go to manage card option, then add your Navy card manually. This will ensure that you can use your Old Navy card while you check out of any of your products. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.